JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Cumming, Georgia this morning. It is, let's see what time it is. 10:25. This is a repeat customer. Today's Tuesday, day after Memorial Day. There's not a whole lot to see here on the carpet. It's pretty good shape. It's an investment property for one of my customers, so this is a repeat job. Repeat customer, not a repeat job. She has a couple houses, and this is a townhouse. There's only one really big spot, which is right there. 3 bedrooms, hallway, stairs. In the living room, like I said, there's not much to actually see, but I did want to shoot a quick before video, I guess for time purposes. As always, there's no per spot fees, there's no upsells, things of that nature. Disinfectant is included. We offer what we call an exact pricing quote, epic pricing for short, which states if you are charged more than what you're quoted, your carpet cleaning is free. So it's a win-win for the customer. A lot of times with carpet cleaning, they get quoted one price and there's upsells and per spot fees, and you know the price you were quoted ends up being nowhere near what you expected to pay. So we change the rules as far as that goes. So we'll get this knocked out and shoot a quick after video as well. As you can see, it's 11:09. We started at 10:25. Everything came out good. Spot in the hallway is gone as expected. This was a $240 job, which did include disinfectant. We do include disinfectant with almost every job, unless the customer requests not for us to use it. Some people are particular about that kind of thing, but 99% of the time we use disinfectant. That's where the spot was. And you know, like I said before, not much to see here, but we did want to shoot a quick after video. The carpet is probably 90% dry. The process we use is a low moisture process. I probably used about 2 gallons of cleaner throughout the entire facility here. So just wanted to share that real quick with you. If you're interested in starting your own carpet cleaning business, we are a carpet cleaning consultant. We can teach you the carpet cleaning business just if you're interested in a non-truck mounted, low moisture cleaning process. We've been doing this for about 15 years without a truck mount. You know, some people only believe in truck mounts, and we believe that truck mounts have a time and a place, but most of our customers love the low moisture, quick drying, that kind of thing. They actually avoid the truck mounts, that kind of stuff. So it's JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853, or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Thanks for watching.